Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unpin a message in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to unpin a message in Telegram, first open up your Telegram app. Now from over here guys, in order to proceed to unpin your message in Telegram, open the chat box of the person on which you had pinned a message. Like this guys, I had pinned a message earlier. You can see at the top of the screen there is the pinned message available for us. Now in order to unpin that message in Telegram chat, at the right side of that pinned message guys, on this bar guys, you can see there is a cross or a close icon available for us at the right side of the pinned message bar. You will be required to tap on the cross or that close icon, and this kind of a pop-up menu will appear where you can see there is the unpin option available for us. Tap on unpin and then your message will be unpinned on that chat. And there guys, this is how to unpin a message in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.